Now we're going to look at the quick pull tool. So if I click quick pull on the left, brings up a screen where I can enter a question. Just enter a quick question. And then of course I have the choice of short answer or multiple choice. For this I'm going to choose short answer, a little quicker. Select the quick pull duration. Maybe I want to give them like 5 minutes to answer this question. And then I'm going to apply the quick pull, and this question will pop up on their screens. I can see here who has answered and who hasn't. As they answer, if I go up here in this upper right, once I have answers, I have that view history button. I'll be able to see these. If I see that everybody has answered, I could do a finish quick poll, and I could have another poll question. So handy little tool to do quick class discussion and do it